This is part 2. Sorry, Raven. Sorry, Raven. Hello, chicken. Part 2 of these chickens. Hey!
Ow.
Sorry. I'm here with 2 of my neighbors, because why not?
Get off the ground. No.
That's Taylor. Taylor's a snitch.
Ew.
Let her go.
She pooped. She pooped on my shoe.
Let the snitch go.
Okay, we're about to fill up the water, because I forgot to earlier. The water is finished. Draining. This is Crow. He's a rooster. Yeah. Okay. Here's Woody. Here's Sandy. Luna again, because Luna, you could never have too much of Luna unless Luna bothers you. Here's my giant fat chicken, Pepper. Lily. River. Cookie. Taylor again. And this is, hey, this is Raven.
A very nice one.
Yes. And we're
She's the sweetest.
Are you on mush? I don't know why they like it extremely mushy, right, Angie?
yeah.
Okay, I'll get this one.
What do you say?
Pepper is saying like, oh, never mind. Some of the chickens are troublemakers. Some of them are, describe it.
Lovey.
Like that one.
Some of them will jump on the couch because they have no rules because they're chickens.
Other ones are extremely too sweet. Who does it have, Raven? I like some of my extremely sweet. Raven's the only sweet one.
Here's a shot of Pepper for no reason. She is just really,
Stupid.
and I'm pretty sure she pooped.
Here, bud.
Very, very beautiful chicken. Ignore the interruption of the over there. Taking out the trash. Hello. Just gonna follow Pepper for no reason. Didn't I already give you food? Oh, never mind. Pepper want more food.
Stop biting me.
That is it for right now. I.
It's totally nice to meet you too, man.
When I was looking at the trash can, I was like this, and then